what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily integrate Zapier on your Facebook leads. Just make sure and head over to zapier.com, and once you're directed to this page, just click on the add button. Next is just click on create button, then click on Zaps. Next is you will be redirected to this page wherein you can trigger events. And from here, we can start just by clicking on this first trigger button. And from the list of apps and tools, we're just going to choose Facebook lead ads. So from here, you can customize your Facebook lead ads event. So we can start over by clicking on the trigger event. We're just going to choose an event. And from here, you can just choose this new lead instant. So this triggers when a new lead is created. Then next, before you can proceed, you have to sign in to your Facebook lead ads account. Then once done, just press on continue. So that's how you can easily integrate Zapier on your Facebook lead ads. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!